I'm headed to a close-to-the-loop West Loop location that has great proximity to restaurants, nightlife, shops, and public transit for a tour of one of the apartments at the always popular Presidential Towers. I'm in Tower 2 at apartment 4404, a one-bedroom, and I'm looking at the entry foyer where there's a coat closet and a pantry closet. Continuing into the unit, the bath would be off to your right. Attractive tile. Kitchen, which is U-shaped, very efficient, off to the left. Has a 4-burner electric range, stainless steel appliance package, and includes a dishwasher. And there's a pass-through out into the living dining area. Plank flooring extending throughout the living area. Spacious living dining area here. A lot of flexibility in how you lay out your furniture and space that's also easy to furnish. Views are out to the west and to the north. And a view of Lake Michigan from this height. And you can see just how close you are to the Kennedy Expressway and to the sizzling hot restaurant dining scene in the West Loop. Heading back toward the bedroom. Again, looking at that foyer and bath, and stepping into the bedroom. We have space for a home office desk, chest of drawers, and of course a closet for storage. Presidential Towers has extensive amenities, very convenient location. It's long been one of the most popular apartment communities in the West Loop and definitely should have a spot on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.